Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Cuddy, and today I'm making a quick video to show you how to access ebooks that are available through Qgada Dagabosi's Access 360. So here, as you look at my screen, this is the Auburn and Large City School District website, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to get to the link where we have these Access 360 books. So as you can see, as I put my cursor on schools, it brings me a drop down to all the schools in the district, and I'm going to be clicking on William Seward Elementary, which is where I teach. And now I'm going to scroll down until I see the link to the Library Innovation Lab. And here we are. So I'm just going to scroll down. This is the Seward Elementary Library webpage. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and here, right here, is the link to Access 360 Elementary Library eBooks. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to prompt me for a login. So for the login, what the login is going to be, it's going to be the prefix AUB, and then it would be your first name, last name. And then you click login. And that's really all you have to do. So now it might prompt you if you wanted to have a display name or if you wanted to put your email. Those are optional, so you don't have to do that. So now I can see what books are available. You'll notice that some have icons that are headphones and some have icons that are open books. So the headphones would be audiobooks. The open book would be an ebook. So you want to make sure if you want to listen to a book that you're clicking on one that has headphones, and if you want to read a book that you're clicking on one that is an open book. And so once you find something that you would like, I'm going to scroll down a little bit to look at the children's selections here. You can click on View All to expand your viewing options. And once I find one that I want, I can always do Load More. I'm very picky. I'm looking for something in particular. Oh, okay, The Wild Robot. So this is an ebook, and this one says place hold. So that means this has already been checked out by someone. So if you place a hold, that means when it's returned by whoever has checked it out, then you would be the next to check it out. So this one, though, is available. So what you do is you click on the book that you would like to check out. And what's nice is that it gives you a little synopsis of what the book is about. And then you basically just click on check out. And then it's in your library to open up and to read. So that's kind of a neat feature for that. And then when you're done, it will give you another button that will say return. And you're able then to press on return, and that will return the book to the Access 360 library. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on my email, elizabethcuddy@aecsd.education. I'm still learning all of this myself, so I will do whatever I can to help you get books while we're dealing with the school closure. All right, bye, everybody.